Well done. What are you making?
We are
you're making noodles now,
the Dutch for breakfast, and it looks like it's going to be amazing. The kids are having apple, cinnamon, sugar and whipped pancakes. Fox is having sprinkles.
Finished.
You having an omelette, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
And I've gone French toast with eggs and bacon, and then we've got hash browns as well. There's a little turtle there. Foxy, what you got? Pancake, you've got lots of sprinkles. Daddy's got an omelette. Mika and Aria have got pancakes with whipped cream and syrup and apples. And I've got French toast, eggs, bacon, and I'm gonna put syrup on it, and we've got hash browns for everybody. Yum. What are we driving, Ari?
A unicorn.
A pink unicorn through the mall. You love it? Not getting some weird looks at all. She's having fun. Mika's just off.
Where are we going? One of them boats. You've got plenty of room this side. Look, you can see everything now. It's cleared up a bit.
You see the mountains now.
What's the mountains? Oh yeah, there is.
This is not what I was expecting. I was expecting to do like a booze cruise, where you like just go in the bottom of the belly of the ship. Is that not what we're doing?
Not going to Calais.
No, you know what I mean. Like, big old thing.
Like that truck.
Yeah.
350s, I think.
Let's make me go that lane,
Yeah,
is he?
that's fine.
God.
That water tank.
How much space have I got?
You're okay at the minute.
You're okay.
The tyre out on that trailer there.
Yeah, how far am I away?
You're okay if you stay on line. You can come this way a little bit now.
Yeah.
You're okay in your line?
I don't know, yeah, I think so.
It doesn't really matter because there's not really anything beside you.
Bye.
The burger.
She's trying to steal your burger.
Can I have a bite of the burger?
We are
Yeah.
Yeah?
on the ferry.
Yeah, we're at Foxy's.
They're really good burgers, they're yummy. And then me and Ben have got
You have some.
poutine again.
What's that here then? Wow, big window.
Boat.
Should we go up the stairs? Or...
So we've just pulled up to our next Airbnb, and this is the view, and this is why we came to Canada. It's amazing. So there's a little fire pit over here, cars here.
You can shut the door now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna open the door and then I'll show you inside. Right, shoes off, everybody. So
Shoes off, Foxy man. Shoes off here. Missing Harry.
everybody's coming in. We put all our stuff in and we just dumped it earlier on. Wow.
There's the shopping.
Yeah, just shut the door. Foxy, come on. Come on, Mummy. Let's go explore. Can you show me? Careful. Upstairs. Careful. Go this way first. So the living room. We've got a telly. We've got a deck out there. Okay, Foxy, let's go look this way. You come with me a minute. We're going to go up here. So yeah, we've got a deck out there with a barbecue and a seating area. It's a bit rainy today. We've got some sweeties. And then we got the kitchen. How much nicer is this than the other place? We've got bottles of water and cereal and fruit. What's in here? A massive cupboard for cleaning supplies. We've got the biggest oven I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness. That is huge. The oven. How big the oven is. And then we got, oh look, we've got eggs and fruit and water and stuff. That's so nice. And then we've got ice. We've got a bathroom. That's a lovely bathroom. But no, they're toffees, you can't have them. And we've got a bedroom. Oh, look at this bedroom. Oh my goodness. Look how big this cupboard is. Oh my goodness. Hide in there from Daddy.
Yeah.
Hide in the cupboard. Where is everybody? What glows in the dark? What happened? Did Mika scare you? Go show Daddy your new house, Foxy. Show Daddy your house.
Now take your socks off, it's a bit slippy, isn't it?
He's been doing a puzzle. Show Daddy your puzzle.
Well, they get a puzzle for you.
And you got to show Daddy upstairs. You want to show him? Come on. You take Daddy upstairs and show him. He hosses it up the here.
Big stairs, aren't they?
And he came down on his butt.
Shut up.
Not interested.
Wow.
And then there's a
Lovely, isn't it?
big... Wait for Daddy. Oh my goodness. Fox, wait for Mummy or Daddy to go down the stairs. And then a big bedroom in here. What's in there? Bathroom. Lovely. So what do you think? I think it's our first ever Twinkie. How good are they?
So good. See?
They've just had a bath or a shower and they're going to watch SpongeBob. I will quickly show you upstairs while Fox isn't running around. All of our bags are everywhere. I showed you in here, there's a laundry room, a big closet, and then that goes to the garage. Like these windows, just everywhere you look. More, this is all going to be put away. Obviously, this is where we're going to put all the suitcases. There's horses down here. I'll take you on the deck in a minute and show you. There's radiators down here, so it's all nice and warm. I'll go upstairs quickly and show you. The girls want to sleep upstairs. Ari's going to bed in a minute because those are some tired eyes. sofa bed. And Ben loves the fan. So the girls are going to sleep. And they've got their own little bathroom, so they can have. And they've had. Oh, someone's had a poo, lovely. It'll be Aria because she doesn't ever flush the toilet because she's gross. And she may have blocked the toilet. Just made me and Ben a snack platter each. That's mine. That's yours. Ben's is here. There's more than mine. It's good. I'm gonna read the manual. Just had a shower. Foxy's asleep there. The girls are upstairs. Ben fixed the toilet after Aria blocked it with a log. Our bed is here. It looks mega. Most excited about this place. Lovely. So nice. So tomorrow will be our first day where we don't have to travel or pack. So can't wait.